Senior APHC leader Miwaiz Umar Farooq, who continues to remain under house arrest since 5th August 2019, has appealed to the people of Jammu and Kashmir to observe Black Day on Friday to empathetically make it clear to India and the international community that Kashmiris do not accept New Delhi's illegal occupation of their homeland. Miwaiz Umar Farooq, in a statement released to the media in Srinagar, reiterated the Kashmiris' resolve to continue their struggle till the achievement of right to self-determination. He added that India, through oppression and persecution, cannot stop the Kashmiris from getting their birthright. APHC leaders Hilal Ahmed War, Khadim Hussain and Syed Sibte Shabir Kumi, in their statements in Srinagar, deplored that the Modi government has unleashed a reign of terror in occupied Kashmir, particularly after 5th August 2019 illegal actions. The leaders maintained that India was hell-bent on eliminating the very existence of Muslims in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir soil. A grenade blast took place near Indian police post in Ghul area of Ramban district today. Locals suspect the Indian Army's hand in the incident to justify its bloody cordon and search operations in the territory. In utter negation of tall claims by the Modi regime, even Hindu extremist outfit Shiv Sena, Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir chief Manish Shahni, addressing a press conference in Jammu, refused to celebrate the abrogation of Article 370 in Kashmir due to New Delhi's anti-people policies being pursued post-August 2019 unilateral actions. He said the Indian government fully exploited the actions by propagating falsehood to whole India on the situation in Jammu and Kashmir. Protests were held at various places across occupied Jammu and Kashmir against the anti-people policies of the Indian government. Dozens of sacked employees and scores of aspirants for the financial accounts assistant post staged separate protests at Press Enclave in Srinagar. In Jammu, hundreds of daily wagers also staged a protest and blocked a highway in the city in favor of their demands. In India, in response to the RSS demand, the Modi government has banned the teaching of books written by Pakistani and Egyptian authors, including Sayyid Abdul Ala Maududi and Sayyid Qutb, from their syllabus of the Aligarh Muslim University in Uttar Pradesh and Jamia Millia Islamia and Jamia Hamdard in New Delhi. Sayyid Maududi and Sayyid Qutb were taught in the Department of Islamic Studies in these Indian universities.